Hello students, this is Preeti Damle, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to study a new chapter called A Short Monsoon Diary written by Ruskin Bond. Now there are two questions which arise. First is, what is monsoon? So, a monsoon is a seasonal change in the direction of the prevailing wind. This wind shift typically brings about a marked change in local weather. Now, the second question is, what is a diary? So, a diary is a record of personal experiences written day after day over a long period of time. You can also use it to note down things you plan. So, in this chapter, the author Ruskin Bond, in this diary entry, tells about the silent miracles of nature and life's little joys and regrets. Now, the monsoon starts in the last week of July and continues till the end of August. June 24 was the first day of monsoon mist. The mist was saddening. It concealed the hills and spread silence. The birds stopped singing suddenly. June 25 brought early monsoon rain. It became warm and humid. Now, with the first monsoon rain, the cobra lily raises its head from the ferns. The mist afforded some privacy also. Now, a boy asked the author to describe the hill station and the valley in one sentence. So, Ruskin Bond only said that it could have been a paradise. On June 27, the rains marked the arrival of animals like leopard and thousands of leeches. The leopard lifted a dog from the servants' quarter below the school. In the evening, the leopard attacked one of Biju's cow, but the leopard ran away at the approach of Biju's mother, who came screaming. Now, the other new arrivals are scarlet minivet, the bright colored bird which cannot hide among the leaves, and rongos, the aggressive ones, chase the poor scarlet minivets. Now we can also see tree creeper, which are insectivorous birds. Since the rains were there, the insect eating birds had no dearth of food. They move up the trunk of the tree, eating up the insects all the way. On August 3, the rain stopped and the clouds began to break up. The song of the whistling thrush emerged from the depth of the valley. On August 12, there was endless rain and permanent mist. The writer had nowhere to go. He only looked out of the window. The late monsoon flowers begin to appear in the hillsides like wild balsam, dahlias, begonias, and ground orchids. On August 31, The seeds of cobra lily turn red, signifying the end of monsoon season. Now the author can see different variety of orchids on the grassy slopes like mauve lady's slipper and white butterfly orchids. Now due to monsoon, snakes and rodents rushed out of their flooded holes and they took shelter in roofs and godowns. And the grandmother told the children not to kill chachundars because they were lucky and brought money. By October 3, the monsoon rain made way for the winter rain and snow at higher altitudes. A hailstorm in the evening hit the place. January 26, the author was quite alone in the house as his friend had left. He experienced absolute silence. He could only hear the rhythm of rain. The mist had enveloped the house. By March end, the winter also ended. Mussoorie had black clouds over it. It hailed for half an hour, and when it cleared the sky, a rainbow was formed across it. Okay, thank you.